Hey there, Chris Kennedy here with Keller Williams Realty. I am on the way to Epperson Ranch. It is a brand new community in Wesley Chapel, and it's well known for what's called the Crystal Lagoon. If you haven't heard of the Crystal Lagoon, what it is the largest man-made lagoon in the United States. It's absolutely enormous. It's 5 football fields. It's like 8 acres. It is 200 feet wide, 8 feet deep, 16 million gallons of water, and this is all included in your normal homeowner association dues, which are very inexpensive. The HOA fees in this Epperson Ranch community, which is all brand new construction, concrete block construction homes, all priced in the high 2s to mid 3s. The HOA fee is only $75 a month, and that includes all your access to the Crystal Lagoon, which I'm about to show you. We're just pulling up to the community. We're on Overpass Road right here in Wesley Chapel, Florida. As a reference, we're about an hour and 20 minutes from Disney World, 45 minutes or so from Busch Gardens, 20 minutes from the Lowry Park Zoo, 40 minutes from downtown Tampa. We're really centrally located to everywhere, relatively speaking. I know some people say they need to be 5 minutes from somewhere to be centrally located, but depending on the person, it's right in the middle of everything that is fun to do, and it's a brand new construction community with the biggest lagoon in the US. So I'm gonna take you for a tour. Just hang on for a second and I'll show you what the lagoon looks like. Hey guys, just pulling up to the scenic area of Epperson Ranch, the Crystal Lagoon viewing area. I want to take you on a little tour so you can see for yourself. Pictures don't always do justice, so I thought this video would help you guys get an understanding of how spectacular this Crystal Lagoon is going to be. So you can see behind me, they're putting in the new white sand that's going to go all the way around the entire lagoon. They just filled this up with water about a week or so ago. We're mid-January right now, January 2018, and you can see that they're installing the white sand, the palm trees. It's going to go all the way around. What's cool about this lagoon is it's included, the access is included in your HOA at Epperson Ranch. Not only do you get to come and to swim in here, but you can rent kayaks, paddle boards, sailboats. There's all going to be all kind of recreation activities that are available to you if you live here in the community. So it's absolutely humongous and spectacular to see it in person. You're going to notice that if you could tell how big it is, it's actually about 8 acres. It's about, as a reference, that's about 5 football fields of water. It's 16 million gallons of water, all kept up to be crystal clear like this year round. So here in Florida, the coldest it gets is in maybe the 30s 2 days a year, but then it's nice in 70s and 80s year round, and you guys all know that if you already live here. But this is the community that they're building is all back here. Phase 1 and phase 2 are pretty much done. There's only a couple homes left for sale in phase 2. Phase 1 is sold out. Phase 3 will be available pretty soon. The release date will come up I think February 1st, so I'll keep everyone posted. And let's go for a tour through the community. Guys, so we just looked at the Crystal Lagoon of Epperson Ranch. Now I'll take you guys through a drive through the neighborhood before I do my walkthrough of the latest closing, or for the latest closing. Over here on the left is a little fountain with a big Epperson across the top. Looks really nice. This will be the entrance on the right for the lagoon. So this community was built in, or is being built in 3 phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Phase 1 and phase 2 are almost sold out. There's just a handful of homes that are still available. Again, it's January 2018, so that's going to change soon. And then the release date for phase 3 home lots will be available in February. So these homes sell for anywhere from the high 2s now and into the mid to high 3s, and home sizes range from let's see, about you know, almost 1,800 square feet up to even 2,800 square feet. You know, you could get a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, or you could do a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. I think one of the ones that are available right now is a $295,000 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and that one can close immediately or end of the month. And then next ones available, I think, are in May. There's a couple homes there, if unless they've been sold before you've got to watch this video or I posted it. So here we are, we're in the neighborhood, and you can see some of the brand new homes that have been. So yeah, we're driving through this community. We're on Epperson Ranch, Wesley Chapel, where the largest man-made Crystal Lagoon is part of the HOA community. So anyone that lives here has access to that. You'll see all of the construction crews and the moving crews still finishing up some of the new homes. And you know, some of these, the sod hasn't been laid down yet. Some of them they have. We're finishing up driving through phase 2 of this particular neighborhood, and I think we're getting into phase 3, where the lots are about to be laid down. Yeah, if you could see in the distance, you'll notice the draining and the pipes and the city water pipes and everything just got delivered, so they'll probably start building these really soon and release the completion dates in February. This is the back side of phase 2. And here are some homes. These I think are part of phase 2, but I'm not sure. Again, brand new, all block construction homes from the high 2s to high 3s, depending on your lot size, your upgrades, and the upgrades you choose. You can choose any type of upgrade you want here. Like, do you want carpet floor? Do you want tile? Do you want laminate? You know, what size tile do you want? What kind of paint would you like on the walls? You get to choose everything as far as the finishing work goes. And then and it's really simple process. You just come, basically pick out which lot you want from the lots that you have there available, and then go through the process, put down your deposit, pick out all of your finishes, and then just close whenever the expected close date is. So right now we're on the road leaving Epperson Ranch, and you can see a few more homes over here on the right side being built. And this is the entryway or the exit that's gated, and I'm sure there'll be key fobs for whenever the community is actually fully active and completed being built. There's just so much construction going on right now, they're not closed. So that's it for our tour of Epperson Ranch. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you guys have any questions or want to see into these homes, you know how to reach me. Chris Kennedy with Keller Williams. Phone's 347-574-6300, and I look forward to hearing from you. You guys have a great new year.